Hey guys, I'm Lola. Sorry for this video taking forever to come out. Curse you, long drawing and animating process. Anyway, I've been trying to animate and draw stuff for a while, and my dad encouraged me to start a channel, and so here I am. I've wanted to do this since middle school, so here's a video of that. Hey yo, bozo, you can't be sitting here. I can sit wherever I want, bozo.
Come out with your hands above your head. We have the place surrounded.
Several months later.
Plessy, you were found sitting in the white car. How do you plead, guilty or not guilty? God, why am I such a weird talker? For those who stayed anyway, this is a clip of me drawing for a photo for this video.